In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your trade history on the Binance desktop app. Whether you're revisiting your past buy and sell transactions or simply ensuring everything is in order, understanding how to access this information is crucial. Let's dive right in and explore how you can easily check your trade history, including the older transactions, using Binance's desktop platform. First, you'll want to begin by logging into Binance through your web browser. Once you're on the platform, direct yourself to the Orders section. This is your primary hub for checking different types of order histories and managing your transactions. In the Orders section, locate and click on Spot Orders. Among several options here, one of the most important ones for our purpose is Trade History. Selecting Trade History will display a detailed log of your past trades. This gives you a comprehensive view of the trades you've conducted over time. To find specific transactions, you can make use of the calendar filters. These allow you to narrow down your trade history by selecting a date range of your choice. It's a handy feature when you're trying to track transactions from a particular period. By adjusting these filters, you can efficiently sort through your history, zooming in on the trades that matter most to your current needs. In addition to viewing your trade history directly on the platform, you might want to export this data for further analysis or record keeping. To do this, simply click on the Export button. This will allow you to download your trade information in a file format that suits your needs. It's important to note that if you're using Binance Thailand, you have the capability to download up to 3 months of trade data per export and can go back up to a year. This is particularly useful when dealing with large volumes of trades over extended periods. Now, if you find yourself unable to view older trades on the app, don't worry. This is a common issue where the Binance app may limit the visibility of older trades. Typically, the app shows the most recent 30 days by default. To view older trades, ensure that you've adjusted the filters accordingly. If your trades are significantly old, they might be archived. In such cases, exporting your data might be necessary to access all your historical transactions. Lastly, be aware that occasionally the layout and naming conventions within the app can change due to updates or regional variations. This might mean that sections such as Orders or Trade History appear under different names or in different areas of the app. Always make sure your app is up to date, and check Binance's support resources if you encounter any unfamiliar changes. By following these steps, you'll have no trouble accessing and exporting your trade history on the Binance desktop app, providing you with clear and organized insights into your trading activities. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.